Selling customizable print-on-demand products is a great way to set yourself apart from other sellers who don't want to put in the extra effort. And the funny thing is, it doesn't actually have to be much extra work to offer the ability to customize print-on-demand products, whether you sell on Amazon, Etsy, or even Shopify. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you why that is. I'm also going to share what my most successful customizable element in designs has been to date. And I'm actually going to tell you right away, it's been the customer name, or allowing the customer to input a name in the products. This has been my most successful personalized element in print-on-demand designs. And I went to Etsy, I simply typed in name custom gifts and fired up Everbee to get an idea of just how well some of these products are selling. You can see here, we're sorted by monthly revenue, and the top 10 or so products are all doing above $10,000 a month in revenue. By the way, this is only analyzing 63 listings that Etsy returned on page 1. If I were to expand this out to Everbee's massive database of over 100 million products, I bet you we would see even more successful products. But I just want to first show you some examples of products that are doing extremely well on Etsy currently that offer name customizations. So you can see here, these are makeup bags and they come in different color combinations. Here are some night lights with different names. Here are simple beach towels with the fun kind of retro font. Here are tumblers. I love the colors of the tumblers that are offered here. And then you put the name in white script font. Here are some personalized birth flower tumblers. I wanted to share those to give you an idea of some of the best performing products on Etsy, and really just to show that people are always looking for name customizations. It's a really strong evergreen niche that can support many different product types. Speaking of product types, I got my start with print on demand as a t-shirt seller. That's where my brain usually goes first when I want to do research. So I came to Amazon, I typed in Ryan shirt. Check out some of these shirts. I heart Ryan, I'm doing Ryan things, Ryan the man, the myth, the legend, Ryan the dictionary definition, I'm that legendary Ryan everyone's talking about, Ryan limited edition, living the Ryan life, relax, Ryan is here. There's just so many cool ones. I even love this design here with just that kind of 60s, 70s era vibe and color scheme. Now I wanted to show you, if you're doing research on Amazon like I do, you don't have to fly blind. I can fire up the merch Dominator Chrome extension. It pulls all this data into a data table that you see here. And then we're able to, number one, customize it to filter out ads, which I've done, filter out products that haven't sold, because that's not really that helpful when I'm doing research, which I've done. We can sort by bestseller rank, which is an indicator of sales velocity. We can look at the estimated sales, the price point, the date published, which is really useful if you're looking for trends. And you can expand the thumbnails. So by default, you see the small thumbnails. You can click right here and make the thumbnails larger, which really helps me make better video content. So you can see here, there's so many good opportunities for name customizations. I mean, the list is really endless, so I'm excited about this. I handpicked a few designs that I want to go ahead and use as templates that I'm gonna offer with customizable name inputs from the customer. This is one of them. We've got the name Ryan. That's basically a placeholder for any name that they can input. Vertical 5 times in rainbow colors. This one right here, simple, tried and true, says I heart Ryan. This one says I'm doing Ryan things. And the last one here, every woman should have a Ryan. Now, when it comes to designing, I can start with a blank slate, or I can leverage the massive HelloCustom design template bundle. All of them are optimized for customization, and there is 1,000 designs in the bundle that are available today for less than $100. I'll put my link in the description, and it is a one-time fee. It's one of, if not the best deals for print-on-demand sellers that I've ever seen. When you purchase it, you get a whole list of designs, and you can simply just open the link. It'll take you to Canva, and then you can go ahead and add your own tweaks to these designs before publishing them to print-on-demand products of your choice. Just to confirm, it does look like HelloCustom still offering their massive design bundle package for $97. You get 1,000 design templates. One of the best deals you'll find. I will drop a link to it below this video. Now, I went to Canva and also made some templates inspired by the products that I was seeing here on Amazon that were selling well. Okay, so design number 1, design number 2, inspired by this one. design number 3, I'm doing Ryan things, inspired by this. And every woman should have a Ryan here, inspired by this one. So now, in order to offer these as customizable products, I need to download the designs from Canva. So I can hit share, I can hit download, and then I can download as a transparent PNG. And I'm gonna go and upload that to Printful or Printify and push the product to my marketplace of choice, or like I said earlier, all of the marketplaces, all of the above, basically make it available and easy to find. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to also download these templates as a PDF, because I'm gonna load them up into HelloCustom so I can automate the customization aspect of design and save a massive amount of time. If you already have a HelloCustom account, go ahead and log in and go to your templates page. If not, I'll put a link to HelloCustom beneath this video. From here, go to add template and then click upload PDF, assuming you've downloaded your design from Canva as a print ready PDF. And now we can configure the template. This is about as straightforward as it gets because we only have a single custom element, and that is the name Ryan here, but that's gonna be switched out for whatever name the customer inputs here. So I'm gonna go ahead and expand the text box out to the side so we get the maximum amount of space there. And then with this selected, I'm gonna go to the top left where it says tags, and I can type in specific instructions if I need to, but it already has name there. So I'm just gonna select name, and you'll notice it says missing this font. So I can go ahead and switch the font to a font that HelloCustom has here in their massive font library. You can see under system fonts, they've got hundreds, if not thousands of fonts. So just go ahead and find one that you think looks similar. This one called Bebas New, Bebas New, B-E-B-A-S New, looks extremely similar to me. I don't think the customer would mind that as well. And then honestly, if you wanted to, you could go back into Canva, redo your design to match this font exactly. Or HelloCustom also supports you uploading your custom fonts as well as an option. It's really just up to you. There is an add button here though, if you do want to upload a custom font. But that's it, guys. Once you've tagged your customization, your customizable element here in your design, match the font if necessary. Now all you need to do is tie it to different product variations by clicking product variations in the top right corner. Find the product that it corresponds to in your Printify account and select all the relevant SKUs. Then when you're done, go ahead where it says publish as and select active. Moving forward, HelloCustom will detect all orders of this product. They'll use AI to grab the personalized element, put it in your design template, and you can send it to production with a single click. By the way, Steven, the founder of HelloCustom, just recently released this 30-minute full tutorial of how to get started for beginners with HelloCustom. I will drop a link to that in the YouTube cards right here, as well as in the description of this video, so you can go check that out and follow it in case you're not already set up. But guys, thank you for watching. If you have not tried this already, go try a name customized element. Go try multiple designs. You saw how quick and easy I was able to get 4 different design templates set up, but there was about 40 different opportunities for me to sell with name customizations. And yes, they started on t-shirts, but you can go list them, and I would insist that you do list them on additional products as well. That was at the core of my approach to print on demand that's worked so well for me over the years. But guys, thank you for watching till the end. I'll put links to everything I referenced in this video, and I'll see you at the next one.